Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Divraj Singh, and today I will be presenting on the topic Cognition, Intelligence, and Language as a part of our Psychology 100 course. Let's, let's explore how these core psychological concepts shape human behavior and development. So, what is cognition? Cognition refers to the mental activities involved in thinking, knowing, remembering, and understanding. It includes processes such as perception, attention, memory, and reasoning, which helps us make sense of the world around us. Without cognition, we wouldn't be able to learn, solve problems, and even interact with others effectively. Cognitive development. Cognitive development is the process by which individuals acquire knowledge and the ability to reason, solve problems, and understand the world. Jean Piaget is a world-renowned development psychologist, proposed stages of cognitive development in children. His theory emphasizes that cognitive abilities are shaped by both experience and maturation. Children pass through stages that reflect their growing understanding of the world. What is intelligence? Intelligence is commonly defined as the ability to learn from experience, adapt to new situations, and solve problems. There is a long standing debate between two views on intelligence. One perspective suggests that there is a general intelligence that underlies all cognitive abilities, while the other perspective proposes multiple intelligences where different types of cognitive strengths exist, such as linguistic, musical, and spatial intelligence. Moving to the slide 5, it's measuring intelligence. Intelligence is often measured through IQ tests, which have been used for many years. As- ac- these tests aim to assess a person's cognitive abilities in areas like reasoning, problem solving, and knowledge. However, there are criticisms of IQ tests, particularly regarding cultural bias. Some argue that these tests may not fairly assess the abilities of individuals from diverse cultural backgrounds. Going to slide 6, emotional and social intelligence. In addition to traditional cognitive intelligence, Daniel Goleman introduced the concept of emotional intelligence, which refers to the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions, as well as emotions of others. Emotional intelligence is a crucial success in life. Moving forward to slide 7, which is what is language? Language is a system of symbols and rules that allows humans to communicate with each other. It includes phonemes, the smallest unit sounds, morphemes, which are the smallest meaningful units of language, and syntax, the rules that govern how words are combined into sentences. Together, these components helps us express ideas through the emotions. Moving forward to slide 8, that is language development. Language development follows a predictable sequence. Infants start by babbling, which then progresses to using one word, followed by two-word phrases and eventually full sentences. Research also suggests that there are critical periods for language learning where the brain is particularly receptive to acquiring language skills. Moving forward to the ninth slide, that is language and cognition. Benjamin Worf's linguistic relativity hypothesis proposes that the language we speak influences the way we think. This theory suggests that the language and thought are closely connected and that our different languages may shape how their speakers perceive the world. In a sense, the structure of language can influence cognitive processes. Moving forward to the slide 10, that is Maringlo and Damaslo. One interesting study by Maringlo and Damaslo explores the role of symbolic play in the language development. Their studies emphasizes that social interaction plays a key role in helping children develop their language skills. The more children engage in social play, the more they develop their linguistic abilities. This highlights the importance of social contexts in cognitive and language development. Moving forward to the another slide, that is De Waal and Ferrari. Another study by Wall and Ferrari looks at cognition in primates, exploring how they solve problems and navigate social situations. The study suggests that primates, much like humans, demonstrate complex cognitive behaviors. This research contributes to our understanding of human intelligence by showing that aspects of cognition, such as problem solving and social interaction, are not unique to humans. Moving forward to the slide 12, that is cognition and social contexts. Lev Vygotsky's socio-cultural theory emphasizes the role of social context in cognitive development. According to Vygotsky, social interactions, particularly with more knowledgeable individuals, are crucial for learning. This theory suggests that cognitive abilities are shaped by both our interactions and with others and the cultural environment in which we live. Moving forward to the 13th slide, that is intelligence across cultures. Different cultures have varying conceptions of intelligence. In Western cultures, intelligence is often associated with individual achievement and academic success. In contrast, many Eastern cultures emphasizes social harmony, wisdom, and interpersonal skills. This demonstrates that the concept of intelligence is influenced by values and beliefs. Moving forward to the 14th slide, that are key takeaways from our presentation. To summarize, cognition, intelligence, and language are interconnected and influenced by a variety of factors, including biology, culture, and environment. Research in these areas continues to evolve, offering new insights into how humans think, learn, and communicate. Understanding these processes is essential for exploring human behavior and development. Now moving to last slide, that is our references. Finally, here are the references and the articles and the textbook which are used in the presentation. Thank you and have a nice day.